Okay, so getting ready to connect your body pieces, you do need an access port for the battery packs, wiring, and components inside the ship. So you're wondering, well, how do you get the battery packs and everything in there? So what we have done is we have cut out this section to accommodate our battery packs, which will feed our fiber optic lighting as it goes through. So now the beauty about this particular model is that these areas are covered. So we're going to Velcro down, place the pieces over, so as they get connected up, hatches are invisible. Now, since we have to put a lot of battery packs in, we're going to leave a lot of access ports. So again, we were just taking pieces out in areas that we know model parts are going to go over it. So this will cover our battery components and our wiring, so we can change out batteries, change out packs that go defective, whatever, and everything will be contained inside the model itself. The key is to make sure that when you cut these openings, you cut them in a way that the covering parts that are going over them will in fact mask them. And as we get towards the engine section, where we'll add more lights for the engines that will come through and have a blue light lighting up all 8 nacelles, we'll have to hide those as well in the engine. So again, they're already pre-molded where they snap down inside the back engine port, which already gives us placements for our battery packs and wiring to go through. So we shouldn't have to do any cutting in order to feed the wiring through those sections.